Because if you've been rehearsing for several days with the music, you know, it's slightly alarming, but of course, Fazal knew everything that Zakir knew, and we had
one more speciality about this song is it's composed by my Guruji and brother Yushrinwaji, and it's played by both of them, the album Sanjanita. And we're going to take a medley of another piece from Shakti and then join with this song called Hidden Tries. Thank you.
You, Rajesh. Sridhar Kanthasarthi. George Brooks. Darshan. And of course, Sheldon. Thank you very much. It's good to see such a huge crowd in the middle of the road. But it was fun to play for you, and I hope it was fun for you. Thank you very much for coming. All dedicated to him. I know you remember him. We all remember him, and we all will continue to remember him forever. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh my God, that was such an electrifying performance by Team Uttan. Can we give them a huge round of applause, everyone? We can see some standing ovations as well. Thank you to the entire team of Uttan.
Hello, cash.
Cash, check.
Okay, roll.
GPay.
Yes. सर आज आपकी धुन पे पूरी महफिल जमी थी, लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया. 25 years हो गए काला घोड़ा. How you feel कि आप इसका एक पार्ट बने?
Well, I'm really excited and very, very honored because it's been a while since I've played at Kala Ghoda Festival, and I think that the Kala Ghoda Festival is one of the most prestigious festivals that Bombay has, and we've seen some of the greatest musicians, I think, perform at Kala Ghoda. And so whenever I get a chance to perform at any spot of this festival, I'm always very, very excited, and it's an honor. So, and to share the stage with such maestros and legends and play tribute to Ustad Zakir Hussain ji was, the best feeling ever, and I'm very, very honored again, and thank you.
Copy paste whatever. It's such a pleasure and honor to be today with all this great maestros. To Fazal Bhai to bring us together today, and such a wonderful tribute to our one and only Zakir Bhai, and always such a pleasure to play with this wonderful maestro, and looking forward to be at this festival next year, hopefully, and congratulations on 25th year. All the very best. Namaste. Thank you.
ओके काला घोड़ा से सर आप कब से जुड़े हुए हैं, कुछ अपनी स्टोरीज बताना चाहेंगे?
From yesterday.
हाँ।
This is my first time in Kala Ghoda.
नहीं, इसके पहले कभी आप काला घोड़ा नाम सुने होंगे?
Yeah, it's a very famous
और कब
festival.
आप आए थे? कभी आपने सोचा था कि आप अपना परफॉर्म यहाँ करेंगे ऐसा
Yes,
कुछ?
I was longing to play here, and once again thanks to Ustad Fazal Bhai to invite me here, and especially for the 25th year. Thank you once again.
And I've played with a lot of bands at the Kala Ghoda Festival, and one thing that's amazing about Kala Ghoda Festival is that it promotes cultural art forms in India, which are kind of forgotten sometimes or sidelined because of commercial properties that take place, right? So a lot of the artists get to showcase their original talent and their original music, so it's a great stage.
ओके सर, लास्टली आप अपने फैंस से क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Please come for more concert, buy tickets, and promote the music. Not only our concert, but also, as he said, original music and different kind of arts are there in India. Please promote them, and then all the best. Please come for our concerts and support us.
So the fans definitely, please, it's my humble request. Today has become a day and age of numbers, so follow us on whichever social media you like. Follow us and listen to our music and share the music. And when you get a chance, buy the music and also buy tickets, buy merchandise. This is the way you can support independent artists because the commercial, again, the industry has its own factory running well. So the independent artists need a lot of support. So whether it is fans following, buying, promoting, whatever they all can do, we really look forward to it and we're very grateful. Thank you.
थैंक यू रोल। ओके सर, 25 इयर्स हो गए हैं काला घोड़ा को, हाउ डज इट फील एग्जैक्टली? और आपका ड्रम बहुत ही अच्छा लगा लोगों को, बहुत लोग उस धुन पे नाचे हैं। क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Firstly, congratulations to Kala Ghoda for completing 25 years. मैंने एक्चुअली काला घोड़ा में काफ़ी सारी आर्टिस्टों के साथ ओवर द इयर्स बजाया है। लास्ट ईयर आई प्लेड विद फरहान अख्तर, उसके पहले आई प्लेड विद सलीम सुलेमान एंड शंकर एहसान लॉय एंड सो मेनी अदर आर्टिस्ट ओवर द इयर्स एंड इवन अदर फ्यूजन कॉन्सर्ट्स एंड इट्स ऑलवेज an amazing stage for artists like us to come and express ourselves. And again, congratulations for completing 25 years and coming back to Asiatic Steps was very special for us.
ओके सर, काला घोड़ा से आपकी कोई मेमोरीज रही हैं? क्योंकि काला घोड़ा 25 सालों से है, तो आपने अपने समय में कुछ देखा होगा कि क्या हम कभी यहाँ बजाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ समथिंग यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ मेमोरी?
सो या एज मतलब बचपन में तो हम लोग आते थे उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन इनको सुनने के लिए, and we always dreamt कि कभी we also will get to this stage and get to perform, and that happened around 15 years back. I got to perform in my own set, plus I got to perform with all these other amazing artists over the years. So एक अच्छा एक फील होता है, स्पेशली मुंबई में है तो आई एम बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन मुंबई, तो एक मुंबईकर की तरह एक बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल फील होता है when you get to perform in front of such an amazing audience.
ओके, लास्टली व्हाट यू सेड, अपने ऑडियंस से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, वो आपको कैसे कनेक्ट करें, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
Please listen to our music. We as independent artists work for this all the time. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, Apple Music, anywhere, and listen to our music and support independent music. I know there is a lot of commercial music और काफ़ी सारे Bollywood आर्टिस्ट और उनको काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिलता है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट उनको इतना सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है। रिसेंटली कोल्डप्ले जो बाहर से बैंड आया था उनको भी इतने सारे ऑडियंस आए थे देखने के लिए, तो आई फील अपने कल्चर अपने आर्टिस्ट को सपोर्ट करना बीइंग इन द सिटी इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So I would request all Mumbaikars to always go and attend classical concerts, ghazal concerts, fusion concerts, जो भी है, just be there and support Indian artists so we can do and come with better music every year for you guys.
Thank you.